Yo dudes, what's going on? It's the Troll King 560 today, or Brayden. Welcome back to another video. As you guys see, I'm standing right in front of a troll face. Well, I'm showing you guys a tour around my Minecraft Xbox 360 edition world, guys. I built this world like maybe 2 years ago, but I want to finally get it out to you guys, show it to all of you. But as you guys see, I'm standing in front of Trollface, so I hope you do enjoy this video. And let's get right onto the video, guys. I'm going to show you guys around this world. This is my creative world. I'll see you guys right later in the video. See you guys. Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. But anyways, guys, welcome. This is what I wanted to show you guys all. The coolest thing in Minecraft. Everyone, look at this dirt house. It has everything in it. It has lava. It has our original crafting table. We have the furnace. We have the brewing stand. We have a birch wood. And then we have an enchantment table. And we have a cauldron, everyone. So, welcome. As you guys see, I got the coolest house in, well, Minecraft. So it's the nice dirt house, and one thing we did not forget, everyone, is the bed. Yes, that's right, we got the bed. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I told you guys I was just kidding. I told you. That's not what I was showing you all, guys. I was not showing you guys a dirt house for this video, but welcome back. As you guys see, yes, I'm flying straight, and you guys can see all my gorgeous builds. Yes, that's right. Let's go back down here, guys, and let's go ahead and show you guys my, well, as you guys see, this is the mansion, everyone, with the nice truck, everyone. So we got the semi-truck, and let me go and show you guys around my town now. But welcome back now. This is the actual video. As you guys see, we got some cargo back here, and we can't really open these, but as you guys know, this is a extremely old version of Minecraft, everyone. I'm playing on my Xbox 360. So look at this really old version, guys. Look, there is no such thing as anvils and none of that stuff, like none of that good stuff, guys. Like, we got enchantment tables and stuff, but as you guys know, the enchantment tables don't cost lapis in this update, as you guys see, which is pretty dope. Maybe I'll do survival series on the old series, and then here's a ladder to get up to the back of the semi, guys. Whoop, and there we go. Okay, let me go and show you guys the rest of the mansion. As you guys see, here is the kitchen with the fridge, the freezer. Yeah, we got stuff inside the freezer, guys. We got some raw chicken. We got some mushroom stew. We got some yeah, we got some Gucci stuff inside the fridge. Here's the counter, and that's, I think, the sink. Actually, guys, I forgot the faucet. Oh no! And here, guys, here is the wonderful, oh my god, guys, I'll be right back as soon as it's morning, guys. Give me a second. Alrighty, everyone, I'm back. What's up? What's up? Welcome back. As you guys see, I'm in my backyard. This is what I wanted to show you guys. We got our nice pool back here, and then we got this stuff right here, guys. We got all these nice tables. You can come. What the heck is wrong with these tables? Like, oh, goodness gracious, guys. I put too many tables close together. Whoops, I didn't notice that until now. But as you guys see, we can come take a seat, and we got our nice barbecue. Definitely a nice barbecue, everyone. Totally legitimately a nice barbecue. And then we got a nice greenhouse in the backyard. That's nice, right? Let's go show the rest of the town, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, whoa, wait a minute, guys. Before we go anywhere, I've got to show you my beautiful bathroom inside the mansion. This is probably one of my favorite places, everyone. This is a nice bathroom. We got the bathtub. We got the garbage. We got a nice toilet right here. We got a nice sink. Yep, right there. Nice sink. And then we got Here's the side, guys. Can you read this? Music in case you guys take long shits. So here we go, guys. Let's go and get out some nice music. We got some beautiful music in there. Let's go and get out. Well, let's go. Let's see. What do we got? Let's see. Should we do? Let's go with this one, everyone. Actually, no. Let's go with the one that was already in. Ah, that's terrible. Ah, let's go with 11. Okay, guys. Listen. Let me turn it up. Hey everyone, I'm back and I'm still in the mansion, as you guys can see. Well, we got the library inside the mansion. I forgot to show you guys the rest of the rooms again. And Jesus, guys, let me go ahead and shut up that loud music. Ow, so loud. Okay, there we go, guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, let's go back, everyone. Okay, and as you guys see, here's another room. And we got, room. And if we go up to the second floor, there's nothing much of anyone besides, hang on, let me turn down my TV. Jesus, nimble rods. Alrighty, everyone, as you guys see, we got the balcony. Nothing much up here. And there's the outside world. Yep, you guys see a lot of stuff out there. You guys just can't wait until you guys see it. And let's go right here. And here's another room of my favorite, guys. This is the living room. I put a lot of work into like all of this stuff, by the way. So I hope you guys do all appreciate these builds. By the way, guys, this is not a secret right here. Even if I jump all the time, like, look, I won't go into the wall. No secrets. Guys, this is a speaker. Yep, we got the nice TV. We can come sit back here, watch some TV. Woo! Yeah. TV, what are we watching today? Looks like we're watching a pig. But welcome, guys. As you guys see, we're outside the mansion with our nice waterfall. Well, not waterfall, beautiful fountain. Ooh, you know what? Maybe I'll take you guys on this thing later in the video. Maybe on the end of the video, guys. But yeah, guys. But let's go to show you guys this nice hospital. And then we have a house over there to the left. We got a hospital right here with some hospital beds. We got some hospital tools. Yeah, we do. We got the knife that we can cut open. Cut you guys open. We got this thing to like pull your skin apart. We got this thing to like dig out the organs and stuff. You know what I mean? And we got some shears. Well, shears are scissors, everyone. We got some nice scissors. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and go over to this house. As you guys see, we got another house. Nice interior design, everyone. We got some nice interior designs, even including a nice chicken. Yes, that's right. And we got a nice fireplace that's nice and warm. Warm. I'll be right back, Jeff. But what is up, everyone? As you guys see, I have lots to show you. Lots and lots. I'm going to just do a full 360 real fast. We got lots that way. We have lots. There's the mansion that I showed you. There is the mansion, the gorgeous mansion. There is tons of stuff for me to show you, ladies and gentlemen. So please stay tuned, everyone, and I will show you everything here real short. Alrighty, everyone, as you guys see, I'm at another house that I have. We have the furnace, I guess you can say nice interior designs. We got the burning sand. Unfortunately, no enchantment table, everyone, which kind of sucks, so let's go and hop out here. But the nice thing is, everyone, you got a massive wheat farm, you got a pig farm, you got a sheep farm, you got a cow farm, and you got a chicken farm back there, everyone. Wow, lots of stuff for everyone. Let's get right on to the next house. Wow, guys, this is just intense. Alrighty, everyone, as you guys see, I got another favorite one of my houses. This is another one because as you guys see, there's a button and we got some nice bushes. And as you guys see, whenever you push the button does absolutely nothing, everyone. Absolutely nothing. So let's go to hop inside here and let's go. Oh, wait. Ready, guys? We can open it and then we can close it. But we can't open it, guys. Isn't that just weird? And then we can just come in here and just look. We can't even do it on the inside either because this is the good old troll house, everyone. The good old troll house. Yes. Alrighty, as you guys see, we got a nice house with double chest and double crafting tables and double furnaces, and we got an enchantment table. No brewing stand in this house today, guys, but we got some beautiful chests. That's why we got one extra chest inside this house, and let's be right back onto the next house. Alrighty, everyone, here's a nice interior designed house. As you guys see, we got this house right here with a nice farm on the left side of it. And as you guys come in, we got a nice bed. We got nothing too much, nothing too good. And we can come up to the second floor, just get a nice good old view of the place. And yeah, that's just another house. But sweet, nice, small, and let's go get another house. Yeah, buddy. Alrighty, everyone, as you guys can see, I found another house right here that I built. We got another right here to the left, a nice farm. And then we got a nice cow farm to the right, and the nice thing is we got a nice tree farm out front too. The only person on this map to have a tree farm. Well, as you guys see, no one has it because it's not owned. It costs 10 emeralds. Well, I know I should probably maybe bring it down just a little bit. That does cost quite a bit. Well, to be honest with you, it does have like all this good stuff. We got the note block and all that stuff, and I think we got some music discs. Yeah, yes we do, everyone. Yeah, see, we got everything inside of it like we do need. And yeah, you know, I don't think we're too much far from the next house, are we? Yes, we are not. So let's just go and walk over there. We don't really need to do like too much. Yeah, you know, let's just, as you guys see, this house has cost 1 coal. Made out of some nice birch wood. A really nice but compact, cool house. As you guys see, we got the enchantment table, bed, we got a chest, we got a crafting table, furnace, cauldron, and we got some nice pink floor. Wow, guys, let's go and get over to this next chest. Actually, guys, I'll be right back. It's almost nighttime. Alrighty, everyone, I'm back, but as you guys see, this isn't a house, okay? This is a library, okay? So let's go to read this before we hop right inside there. It says library, watch out, kinda a maze in there. Read me, okay, everyone? So yes, it is kind of a maze in there because, well, yeah, as you guys see there, it's kind of amazing here. So let's go to look around. Ooh, look at that. Books, 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 books. Inside of a library, guys. Look at this library. We got some nice windows to see outside. Ooh, hello there, chicken. Hello, hello. Oh, wait, guys. What do we have here? What do we have here? What does this say? What does this say, everyone? Can we read this? Come on, everyone. Can you guys read this? What does it say? Read it out loud with me. Wow, there's a sight you don't see every day. More books. Yeah, guys, and then here's this. Employees only, where all those people go. And let's just shut those because we're not allowed to go there. Let's move on to the next house. Hey, buddy, I'm back. Here's another house, and this house is in fact owned, by the way. This is my cousin's Xavier's house. Well, because, yeah, I built all these nice houses. It didn't really take long, by the way, guys. If you guys want to know how long I built it, well, I'll tell you guys that later in the video. As you guys see, we got some nice photos and everything. Looks nice. Not too much. We don't got the enchantment table. We got the brewing stand, everything. Let's back out of this house. And let's now move on to the other stuff of my world. Yeah. Please don't leave the video. Alrighty, I'm back. Everyone, mini games. Please respect the rides. As you guys see, we got the nice mini games areas, and it goes on for miles. As you guys see, it goes on for quite a bit. But let's go and show you guys these first mini games. Okay, I'm gonna have to upgrade this one, so don't worry about this mini game. This is just, I actually don't remember if I named this one, guys, but yeah, this is a mini game. You gotta try and hit the gold blocks, and if you shoot the red blocks, minus 10 blocks. Shoot the gold blocks, plus 5. White wool, plus 1. So, guys, let's go to get on to the next one. We got another one over here. Mini game name, everyone. Miner's Heaven. Okay, here's the rules, everyone. Mini game. First to mine all diamonds win. As you guys see, we got some nice huts right here with some diamonds and stuff. And then we got the chest filled with pickaxes. Not really filled, just like 2 of them. In every single one of them. We got a few miner huts, and we could either do it as teams or alone. Let's get on to the next mini game. Alrighty, everyone, I'm getting soon to the nearing ending of this video. As you guys see, well, we're just gonna go and fly around the rest of my world real fast. As you guys see, we got some nice diamond builds down there. We got the diamond pants, diamond helmet, diamond chest plate, diamond boots, a diamond sword, diamond shovel, and in fact, a diamond hoe, everyone. So let's go and get over here, and we got a diamond pickaxe, don't worry. And as you guys see, we can see all my builds, everyone. I've never done any how to builds. If you guys all want me to do how to builds on every single one of these videos, let's try and hit at least 10 likes today, guys. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, remember to smash the like button. I'll see you guys in the next